Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos. It's a slightly different video this time, and we're going to be looking at the Shark lift away vacuum. We have done a full review on this, but this is a new series of videos we're doing where we've had the products, we've done the review, and a year or so later we're looking at the product and see if it's still up to scratch. Now, as you know, these Shark vacuums are excellent. This one is the lift away monitor. It lifts away, you can clean the stairs. The motor on it is still really good. The suction's really good on it. The brush bar's still really good on it. Suction's still good on it, although we have maintained all the filters regularly. The attachments all still work. No problems with it at all.
So we've been using this for a year and a bit.
Yeah, around the home, yeah.
Yeah. How does this lift off, Daniel? This whole thing?
Just comes up like...
Take the whole thing off?
Yeah.
Right,
really good bit of kit.
So I'm just going to prove a point here. It's so easy to use. There you go.
Yeah,
that's the stuff we've just...
That's just like a few bits we've hoovered. Just run the hoover around up here sort of thing.
We've done another video about maintaining this, so it slides on.
Slides in forward, then goes
really
back, yeah.
Easy. You push this down, and if I can use it, it's got a button there, a couple of carpet and hard floor button. Just to rely a bit, watch this. These vacuum cleaners are so good.
Over there as well. And that's literally just sucked just all that up, no issue at all. So that just shows how good it is. Just to pull all that up straight away.
You just do that with it and stick your attachment in, and away you go. So it's really easy to use. All click, even the.
Yeah, it's just so.
Does that sound like German engineering?
That's British, that companies.
Yeah, I know, but you know what I'm saying.
It's so ergonomic, the handle, so nice to use.
Brush roll access.
Yeah, I mean, you can get to it here. Look, you just press these two bits down. I have done a video on this, but you can just get to it, land off. These bits you can take off.
It's a year on. We've been doing a house up. You take it from me.
I've been hoovering a lot. We've been using it every few days, sort of thing.
We've got a couple of dogs. It's had a lot of work. The thing that, if I'm honest, that surprises me about this is it's got a few marks on it.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you now, it's robust. You can see where it's taken the odd hit in that, because we've been against skirting boards, hoovering, all sorts of sawdust, you name it, we've hoovered this up in this. How his release is easy to clean and maintain. Like, so we've done another video on it, so I don't want to labour.
We're not going to go into the features really, because you can look them up. But yeah.
Basically, the video is: will this last? Is it durable? Is it good hoover? Do I recommend it? Absolutely.
Would I buy another one? Absolutely, I would buy another one. Yeah.
Opposed to other leading.
Would I recommend this? Yes, definitely.
And I'm not going to say which brand I'm talking about, my son, but we'd stay with this one.
Yeah, Shark is good. Yeah. But anyway, so if you're thinking about buying one of these lift away vacuums, then definitely recommended. Very reliable. The only thing with them, like with most vacuums and most pieces of machinery, just make sure you maintain the filters. As I say, I've made a video about that already. It's easy to do. Apart from that, yeah, it's
first class. That's a year and a bit on. As good as the day we bought it.
I just thought it was worth making the video, so if anyone's thinking about buying one, then you have the confidence of.
And the added benefit is,
good quality.
If you want to keep your husband fit and he's retired, that's not me, by the way. Somebody I know. Perhaps you should get a Sharky for him.
I might. No, actually, it's so good it wouldn't be as much work as a vacuum that's not so good.
Build your biceps up, doesn't it?
Right, okay, let's wrap this up. But anyway, if you think about buying one of these and you're just wondering, are they actually all they're cracked up to be? Yes, they are. They're very good quality. We've used it in a normal home. We've got dogs. Yeah, highly recommended. Thanks for watching.